Hey, DJI drones are the best, wouldn't you say?
I mean, yeah, I've never had a problem with my drone.
Me neither. However, I did come across an issue recently. Not with the drone itself, the drone is perfectly fine. Like 2 of my 3 batteries got swollen and—
Oh, wow. That could be dangerous. I mean, imagine the battery popping out while flying.
Exactly, but I don't know if I should get a new battery. I mean, I have the first Mavic Pro, which is a real old model, and a new battery costs around $300. So I don't know if I should save up for the new Mavic 3, which they are about to announce in a few days, I hope.
Maybe.
Or get a new battery. I'm pretty sure some of you have the same dilemma, right? I mean, my batteries are swollen, but I can still charge them and they do work. So I thought to myself, maybe there's a better solution instead of throwing them away. So I came across this battery to power bank adapter. Basically, it turns your Mavic Pro battery into a power bank so you can use it to charge other devices that you have, such as your phone or any other device that uses a USB cable to charge it. It's a fairly cheap solution in my opinion. If you want to check it out, link is in the description. I can just plug the adapter to the battery and then plug a USB cable to the adapter, and then I can turn the battery on as I would turn it on to fly the drone. So double tap and then hold, and then there you go, it's charging.
Ooh, sweet.
And so, if you have a swollen Mavic Pro battery, you can recycle it by turning it into a power bank. You can use it with a perfectly good battery too. It doesn't necessarily has to be a swollen battery. And keep in mind that this adapter only fits the Mavic Pro battery. It doesn't fit the Mavic 2 Pro battery or the Mavic Air 2 battery or the Mavic Air 2S battery. So if you want to use those batteries as power bank, you need to get another adapter. If there are adapters for these batteries, I'll put them in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Do you have anything else to say?
Peace.